What? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today you join me at Cobham Services for RC Meets the City Smokers. Now we are here a little bit early. We see so many cars convoying to this location down the M25. So yeah, we're here early. Let's just get to the arrivals now. To be honest, there's quite a few cars here already, isn't there? As we're coming into Cobham Services, I have noticed this. Check out the Mark V Golf. What? And if we move over from the Mark V Golf, you can also see someone next to us currently sleeping in his Range Rover. So he's been on a long journey, of course, but I want to check out this Mark V because this is absolutely ruined. Here are also the cars that went past us down the M25. I just seriously can't believe what's happened to this Mark V Golf. Like, how often do you see that and how ruined that? Look at the headlight. Oh my God. So we have a Rolls Royce. How much do you think the number plate is worth? Let me know in the comments. We have some arrivals now. We have a Subaru Pink Bits. Got a Fabia VRS. Oh my God, look at the back of it. It's supposed to be grey. Someone's modified a Nissan Juke. Check out the colour on the Mark II MX-5, very low as well. Nice colour on the Mercedes, very, very bright. That sounds ruined. I mean, you've got all the other cars and then you've just got the Mini, just doesn't know what to do. We also have a Mark I MX-5. This comes to RC Meets quite regular. Oh, there's an MR2. The recovery truck has come to retrieve the Mark V Golf. This is either the same Juke or another one. Is it a different one? No, same one. Someone's revving over there. ST, been modified quite a bit. Oh, we have Sam's Chaser, fully mapped now. This thing is mad. Have not seen this in so long. Then we have the E36 Touring with the drift tyres in the back. Oh, we have a 4-door R34. On the E36, there was a Subaru revving, so we're gonna go check that out. Right, never mind, the Subaru has now stopped revving. We also have the Juke with neons on as well. Then we have the Clio revving. Right, so they have now just announced a second location. Now we can't be here too late tonight because we're actually busy. So we're gonna go to the exit, we're gonna film them, then we're gonna head to the next location. But yeah, I don't know how long we're gonna be at the next location for, but they've just announced it, so let's just get to the exit now. My view is now blocked by a truck. We have the R34. Duke. What car do they have on the back? Oh, it's a banger racer. That was close. I am so glad it's back. If only it was a white chaser though. So we're now in the car on our way to the second location. This one is in Woking. It's about a 20-minute drive, so I'll catch up with you once we're there. Oh, there's some people also stood there. I don't think he quite knows how to drive. He's been on the hard shoulder for quite a bit. Kel the van. Oh my God. We have now made it to the Asda in Woking. There's quite a few cars here. We have the Alfa Romeo. Check out the Rover. Oh my God, look at the dash. That doesn't sound good at all. He's got no steering wheel. He has no steering wheel on his MX-5. MX-5. So he was playing a song about the police, and there we go. There's actually a police officer here. There is a Skoda Fabia. I actually do want one of these badly. It's going to be replacing the Fiesta. There also is the police there. Is there one sat in there? No, there isn't. So there's just one police officer here. Since the police have made their arrival, everyone's jumping in their cars. You've got everyone running. It's quite cool, to be fair. There is the chaser again that we saw earlier. There is a brand new location, but it's the opposite direction to where we want to go. So we're picking Sophie's mum and dad up from the airport, which is at Gatwick, and that's that way. And we're going to Camberley, which is completely opposite way. So yeah, this is the last location for us anyway. But yeah, still captured so much here. It's been sick. My camera decides not to focus. Lovely. There you go, another Fabia. Beeping in the underground car park. So many cars going to this exit is because there's actually another one that way. So it seems like most cars have actually took that one instead. So I'm going to end this video here. That was it for RC Meets and City Smokers. It's unfortunate that we have to leave early, but it's all good. We're going to a car meet tomorrow, which is also RC Meets, so we're going to record that as well. But yeah, hopefully you have all enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, be sure to drop a like and also subscribe. It's much appreciated. And also go follow my Instagram. Again, very close to 2,000 followers. So yeah, thank you so much for all the support, and I'll catch you all on my next one. Peace out.